welcome to Danny Boys. Can I offer you a soda? A dab?
What's in the back?
Hey, yeah, dude. I'll show you what we do back here. Follow me. Bring those little antennas with you.
Take that, bruh. You owe me a new Cadillac converter.
What the?
Harder. That's what you get for getting my Cadillac converter stolen.
What the?
What in the ICE investigation is going on here?
Fist him like a lesbian.
Damn, dude.
Like a lesbian. Nice.